Try the white eggs.
Whoa, look, it's moving. Weird. So it's gonna rotate it, I think.
This is white eggs.
Maybe it rotates your meats.
No, it's just the heat, maybe? Is it the heat?
I think it rotates. Yeah,
Oh, cool.
it's gonna flip into that.
Oh, yeah.
Wow. Oh, it tastes so good. And then we're gonna barbecue the meat here or seafood here.
Yeah.
We're gonna hang it and barbecue it.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see the next round.
Wait, the second?
Try the white eggs.
Whoa, look, it's moving.
Weird.
So it's gonna rotate.
Over $99, we got one pre-cut cheese.
Oh,
What's in here?
it's corn and cheese.
Oh, corn and cheese. Oh, corn.
Hey, you want to serve us, Mimi?
Thank you.
Got it. Thank you.
Oh, you're sweet. Thank you.
Corn and cheese. Hands on your corn. Hands on your cheese. We are receiving 99.
This place is nice too. To celebrate birthday or whatever you want to celebrate holidays. We're gonna dig in here.
It's getting cute.
More food. This is
What was it?
this is
Oh, beef honeycomb. I'll take
this
one
is a
and
scallop.
one of the,
We're gonna grill it and oh my god.
Okay, what
This is the you know what that is. It's a frog. Oh no, this one is a frog.
Salad.
No, is this quail or
quail. Mimi, put
quail? It's not frog, it's quail.
Mimi, put this here. Yeah, cool. Thank you. Oh, they're
Thank
kind
you.
of bumping and grinding. Switch it with this one.
My god, this is
Yeah.
a lot of food here. It looks like we're gonna be here for a while. We're gonna come out here and eat all this food. But the corn cheese is really good. And the soft eggs is really
Meat
delicious.
is so delicious, right?
And this thing, they're still cooking.
They wrap the meat inside
Bon
of the
appetit!
mushroom.
Okay, this is the scallop.
This is better than
It's
scallop.
cooked.
Oh my
It's really
God.
delicious.
Holy